Hi there, my name is Noah and I'm with TouchScreen Pros, and I'm going to be showing off our drive-in LED wall. So one of the things that sets apart our LED wall is that it actually has touch capability built into it. So I'm going to go to the little whiteboard app that we have built into the wall, and as you can see, it has up to 20 points of touch, and it traces my fingers all the way through the board. And you're not going to see this on very many LED walls. So that's a really unique and interactive feature that we have on our LED wall. I'm going to go back to the home screen here, and you can see we have casting that is built into the wall and on this Android side. And as well, we have a full Windows PC that is built into the board that you can do whatever you want with. It's fully unlocked, and all the touch capability goes across into the PC as well. And one of the really neat features of the wall is that it is made up of over 200 individual little squares that you can use their squeegee to take out. And if one of them goes bad, or if anything gets broken, smashed on one of these, you do not have to replace your wall. You just get a fresh one that comes with any purchase of our LED walls, and you put it straight back in just like that. And just like that, you can see the touch works fluidly with me just putting it back in. That is our drive-in LED wall product, and you can find us at www.touchscreenpros.com.